To focus more on gold, don't worry guys, I'll be always back on the gold charts as usual. Okay, so one of the things that I will always be watching carefully is how the currency market movement works, because most of the time when we started to see that the clearest, strongest currency against the weakest currency pairs could be the best choice to trade. And if you guys look that on the top corner, you guys could actually see that contains the currency alongside with its color, and you guys could actually see what's the market movement tonight. So if you guys are watching right now, you guys could actually see that and New Zealand dollar and the Australian dollar always moved in tandem. It's the strongest pair tonight after yesterday weakening a lot. And if I'm showing you guys what happened yesterday, you guys can actually see that it's a very contrasting view on the market, where last night, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar is the weakest pair up until something happened on the market, which I'm going to be talking much here. So if you guys wanted to know what's the update, I'll be telling you guys on the VIP live sessions. So you guys could ask those access on the link on my video profile and on the video descriptions of the profile for access on my VIP live sessions. I'll be sharing with you guys. And with this kind of market movement, it's very common for us to see that Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar will be moving ahead compared to the rest. And as a result, since the US dollar index has already been going quite strong since yesterday, we are seeing that tonight US dollar index is a little bit weakening. But that's one thing that I should be noting to you guys, that after a little bit weakened since the last 1 hour on the US dollar index, prices starts to rebound it. And it's also been the case where the strongest pairs also started to show some signs of slowing down after going up quite much over the market movement for tonight. So I think with that alone, we are seeing that there's good chances that the overall trend could still continue for tonight, because there's still some times until the Fed chair really testify, and there could be something happening across the other currency market against the US dollar. And for now, I think the best momentum, if you guys asking me, is certainly coming out from the Swiss franc. As you guys could see, the market movement here has been moving really well. And also, we are also seeing that the euro has also been moving much better. So I think against the US dollar index currency pairs, there's some chances that you guys could actually be trading on the the US dollar Swiss franc for shorts and Euro USD for long, based on the momentums that we are seeing. But I think it's still notable for us to try to take a look here on the New Zealand dollar as well as Australian dollar, see is there any opportunities, or is it a healthy pullback is happening on the market. So let us try to take a look on those markets. So US dollar Swiss franc for short positions. Alright, so the momentum is still there. Prices is still breaking down lower and lower, I think. So if you guys are trying to find the trend, it's very clear. Prices are weakening, showing signs that prices are still slowing down. And despite last night US dollar index is quite strengthening, we are not really seeing that it has been affecting the market trades here a lot. And we are seeing that price momentum is still going down low. So if you guys love to trade on the currency market, and definitely this is one of the trades that you guys could be taking a closer look here as prices get on dropping. US dollar Swiss franc